You now gang, bitch.
Rock boys,
Alright.
Yeah.
Bitch, let me check the leaderboards, cause this a cash race. We see where the fuck your man's at, he be in last place. Built to hold my gun, I'm just making sure the mag. Nigga ever try me, I'ma fucking shoot my gun until the mag break. The bank adding interest to my money, nigga, fuck yo. This a caddy truck with stars in the ceiling, nigga, fuck yo. Slide down with fast things, and fast things, you better nigga how you riding in a fast Jeep. Ain't never took that bitch up on no Glock 19 in my hand, but a 21 up on my way. Don't like thinking about school, cause niggas used to stump up on this face. I was a fucking class clown, I know the teachers used to think I'm lazy. It ain't a semi, all that nigga man's dropping scat packs, my niggas coming kitties. And I got some YouTube rapper friends that's looking at some business. Bitch through my phone and ain't say nothing, just looking at me silly. And my old head to shoot this bitch, so I'ma call him give the police. I don't wear this ski to step, I'm wearing it cause it's chill. Nigga, I been doing a lot of ghost shit, my people should've named me Billy. I'm so turned, I ain't fucking stopping till I get a mill. I ain't a blood.
The advantages of the palm vein biometric technology is high security. Palm vein patterns are internal and are difficult to replicate. High stability, the pattern is not affected by surface factors like dirt, sweat, and dryness. Contactless recognition, meaning you don't have to touch it. Fast response, so you see how fast it opens. High consistency is very consistent. Like every time I move my hand by it, it makes a beep. What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Rock Tactical, and today I'm back with another unboxing review video. Today we doing something a little different. Today we unboxing Xegis safe. Let me see how to correctly pronounce it. It's pronounced Xegis. Xegis safe. Unboxing Xegis safe. 100% instant. Palm. It go off your palm. It don't go off the fingerprint. It don't. It got palm vein technology. It's no contact. You don't have to touch it. It all just goes off your palm. Not affected by sweat or dirt or any wet stuff on your hands, so you basically can unlock it in any situation. It works in the dark. You don't have to be light, and it got a button and a key. You feel me? Now, y'all say what's up to my dog, my Frenchie. We doing the Xegis safe. It's a palm safe, no fingerprint. We're doing an unboxing video. Just telling y'all what to build it. It's your boy Rock Tactical. I ain't been on here in a minute. I ain't been doing a little, you know, but I'm back. Boom. I told you I'm back. Boom. This is what it looks like. The box. This is just move. Go. This is what the safe looks like. The box. The Xegis safe. Now the gun I'm gonna be testing it with Glock 23 Gen 5. Gun is clear. Y'all know that. I'm a professional. I've been doing this a long time. Glock 23 Gen 5, gun clear. Now, you can't get this on Amazon, and it is Christmas, right? You know Christmas coming up. Everyone needs a gun safe, okay? If you got a pistol handgun, you need a gun safe. If you know your dad got a pistol handgun, he needs one. Mom, sister, brother, cousin. You can buy the gun safe for anybody. And this is a great gun safe. So we're gonna get into it. Let me just show y'all everything that comes in it. This is how it comes. We got a locking cable. We got a charging cable, the screws and the key, a bunch of stuff, and then we got the safe itself. All right, so boom, let's move everything to the side. Get the safe out. Now, Z just did send me the safe, so look at it. It's not big, but it's not small. But like I say, it's a safe. And if you're in like a state like I am, we got gun storage laws. So even if you only have a handgun, you still have to have some nice place to store it. So why not get you a nice safe like this? So off the rip, looks amazing. Feels well built. Can't lie. Set that. It's like the quick start guide and all that type of stuff. So we get charger, pretty sure, screws and all that type of stuff. So what we're gonna do is put on the charger immediately. USB-C, you know everything is USB-C now. God dang, it's a long USB-C. Two quick start guides, and you get user manual. Boom, need the keys. That wasn't supposed to happen. bye. We got it unlocked. Oh. Dang. Bro, this is nice. So look. You go inside, turn the power on. It got lights in the inside, and it also has a little screen right there that tells you the battery, the temperature, and the humidity. That's how it look. Looks nice. And then open it up, you just put your password. Opens right up. Now, let's take it off the. Hey! Stop! Let's take it off the charger. 3, Gen 5. Oh man. Damn. So, off the rip. Before we get back to talking, things I can see now. Okay. This is good because, like I say, touchpad, keypad, and the key to open it. Okay, so with the key you just turn it all the way and it opens. Okay. With the touchpad you just go and it opens. That's sick. Yeah, so that's sick. Oh shit. Bro, this safe is crazy, bro. Just look. The palm of this hand, no work. Bro. Once I see the quality and everything like that, bro, I will give my official review on this case. But as of right now, bro, this case is amazing. Okay? This case is amazing. Shout out to the Xegis safe. Okay? Now, this is why I say this safe is good, okay? I'm going to wet my hand real quick. I'm going to wet my hand. And I'm gonna show y'all it's wet. I just touched the whole bottom of a pop. It's wet. Let's see, it's still open. Now back to what I was saying. This case is insane, bro. Let's go through the user manual. So it's just telling you about how the palm recognition works, okay? It's a near infrared light exposure. A near infrared light source is used to illuminate the hand. The hemoglobin in the blood absorbs the light, making the palm veins visible. A camera captures a high-resolution image of the veins, typically a 0.5 to 1 millimeter layer beneath the skin. Palm vein patterns have a high degree of uniqueness and stability, making them a living biometric feature. Well, that's how, if you probably like, I wonder how the palm shit. They just told you how the palm stuff works. Okay. Then the advantages of the palm vein biometric technology is high security. Palm vein patterns are internal and are difficult to replicate. High stability. The pattern is not affected by surface factors like dirt, sweat, and dryness. Contactless recognition, meaning you don't have to touch it. Fast response. You see how fast it opens. High consistency is very consistent. Like every time I move my hand by it, it makes a beep. I knew it was gonna open. But every time I'm just moving my hand by it, you've been hearing it beep. It's just beep, 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 beep. And it got excellent user experience, meaning everybody who's had one. Everybody who's had one loved it. It comes with a key, a charger cable, an anti-theft cable, a hex wrench, hex screws, a quick start card, and a manual. Meaning, see these screws? You can screw this into something. Now you can mount this on your wall, screw it onto your wall, however you want to do it. You can screw this into something. But this case is basically indestructible. Like there's some videos out there smashing it. I will ask them if this video does good enough. I will ask Xegis to send another one and we'll do like a damage test, drop test, shooting test, key test, palm test. all type of tests, because you definitely don't want to get your gun locked in there. I know you don't want to do that, and I don't want you to do that. Now, like I said, it's finna be Christmas, man. Everyone needs a gun safe. This is a small gun safe. It probably could fit. I want to say you get 2 handguns in here. Yeah, I could put a Glock 23 and a Glock 19X in here. Let's see. 2 guns will fit in there fine. Now, with owning a gun, it's 99% serious, no playing. It's really 100% serious, but I'm 99% serious. And like the 1% is for like buying cool stuff and being cool with it, you know? All the other 99%, when handling a gun, having a gun, everything about it is serious, no joke, no playing. But the 1% is for stuff like this, you know, cool stuff. Stuff that you will get just because you have a gun, just to feel like you in a movie type shit, like, you know, just cool stuff. It's very small. You can put it up, you can hide it somewhere, or like I say, it comes with screws. You can screw it somewhere, mount it. It's right here. Anti-stealing cable. You know what that means? You can lock it up in your car. You can lock it up anywhere in your house, your shed, anywhere you feel it's a threat and somebody will try to steal it. This can be locked up there. Now, I will recommend you lock this up somewhere this can't be cut, because what's the point of having this if they're just gonna cut what you gotta lock to? So, anti-theft cable, so you can't get it stolen out your car or anything like that. I tie this motherfucker to the motor. Lock it to your motor. They're gonna have to steal the motor of the car if they want my gun. But yeah, this is the Xegis safe. It's the Xegis safe. But you know all them other safes they got. We got the best fingerprint technology. I'm definitely loving this palm print technology. The vein pattern technology. Because even in movies, I ain't never seen nobody steal nobody vein pattern. That's new. Vein pattern technology is crazy. So they did something nice. And you don't even have to touch it. Like, you know, with them other ones, you have to put your thumb on it. You really could just wave it open. Like, it's that simple. This hand not even scanned. Man, did y'all see how fast it took to scan? It was like 3 minutes, literally just. Oh, damn, I hope. Okay, like this one works. You see what I'm saying? Like, instantly on some, like, you feel me? Like, real movie type shit. And it looked like it's a delay, but it's not. Soon as the red dot pop up, it just straight opens up. Hell yeah, when the guys come over next time I have the guys over, I'm gonna have this out. I'm gonna just keep doing this the whole night. I'm like, oh, what's that on, man? I just got custom Glock 23 Gen 5 and they're my everyday carry, you know, keep this right by my bed. It got 3 locks, 3 different ways to open. I can use my palm, I can use my code, or I can use my key, you know. So y'all look out for this Xegis safe. It feels straight. I can't lie. It feels good. I really would like to see, like, you know, the durability, because it's like, what would be the point of having a safe if it's not durable, you know? So that would be my only thing, is like durability. But if you're not worried about durability, you're really just trying to like keep out of the reach of kids or a brother, or, you know, you just have people at your house, you don't want to have your firearm just laying around. This is perfect for that. Perfect. It's very small. It doesn't even look like a gun safe, if we're being honest. It look like a document safe, like you would put birth certificates and stuff like that inside of it. So I would definitely try to get this Xegis safe, because, hey, like I say, it fit 2 guns very well. Another gun I have in there was just a frame, but if it'll fit the frame, it'll fit the slide. But yeah, y'all be on the lookout for the review. The review video is coming soon. Also got my Super Safe FRT build coming soon, a new one. Stay on the lookout. I really been doing a lot of stuff with my dog, my daughter in school, all types. But I did get the iPhone 17 Pro Max 2 terabyte Blue Edition, so the content is gonna skyrocket. But yeah, this is the Xegis Safe review. They sent me out the review, and this is my review. First impressions, 10 out of 10. I love the design. I love everything about it. But what draws my attention the most is that it is palm vein, like the veins inside of my hand. That's the recognition it has. Palm vein recognition. Like, and then don't get me wrong. If I want to do it the old school way one day, I can still. You feel me? Like, I can still do that. Get even old school, I'm just gonna go. You feel me? I'm just gonna go key on it. If it died, you know, if it died or something, key on it. You feel me? They just took a shit on the gun game with this. They took a shit on the gun game with this safe. I love this Xegis safe. It's fire. It is, like I say, y'all probably looking at it like, oh, it's just two, you can hold 2 guns. Not everyone in the world is addicted to guns like me. Not everyone has 15 plus guns like me. Not everyone. Some people really just have the gun to protect themselves, and that's okay too. This is for you. Average consumer, people who's not trying to make a career. Like, I'm trying to make a career out of building guns, doing shit like that. So, of course, I'm gonna have a lot of guns. So I would need a much more expensive safe. This is just a regular safe. Your granddad, your dad, your auntie, your sister, anybody who needs a safe, who got kids, I would 100% recommend you get a safe. Even if you don't get this one, if you got kids and have firearms, get a gun safe, please. No debate. If you live in a couple states, I know Michigan is one of them, you have to have a gun safe by law. So, hey, why not have a fire gun safe? And especially if you only got 1 or 2 handguns, it's perfect. You don't even have to go pay a bunch of money to get a crazy safe when you can get a gin type case. You know, it go off the palm of your hand. Like, if you all seen Fast and Furious and they got the fingerprint off the girl panties, they not getting your vein print. You see what I'm saying? But yeah, man, I recommend this safe. Like I said, the only thing I would want to see is how durable it is. But after the durability, it really ain't no more I really could say. I'm going to flip the camera, give you guys another better look. So this is how it looks. Charger, the display screen with the humidity, the temperature, and the battery. This is where it reads your palm. See, every time I move a finger by there, it pops up. That's the palm reader. And then this is the key code. Okay? So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use my palm. You feel me? And that's how it look, basically. Boom. Boom. So yeah, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. The link will be in the description to get you a case. And yeah, it's your boy Rock Tactical. I'm gone.